Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply app lock in iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you want to apply app lock in your iPhone to lock your apps, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, before going further, you must be using iOS 18 or the latest version in your device first. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings in your device, and now you have to tap on general, and then you have to tap on software update and update your software to the latest version, that is iOS 18. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and then you have to scroll it below, and then you have to go to Face ID and passcode, and after this enter the passcode of your device. And now you have to simply turn on all these toggles. So guys, as you can see this, you have to simply turn on all these toggles, and after this you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply press and hold any app which you want to lock. So guys, as you can see this, I am tapping on this app, so I simply press and hold any app, and here you will see require passcode. So guys, as you can see this, simply tap on this option and then tap on require passcode, and then you have to enter your passcode for one time. So guys, now if you again want to open this app, this will ask for a passcode to open the app. So guys, as you can see this, if I enter the passcode, then the app will be opened. So guys, in this way you can also apply app lock in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.